What's going on, Tech Fam? Long time no video. In fact, I think the last video I put on this channel was probably January of this year. And the last time I did an ITCareer update video was in 2020. So needless to say, it's been a very busy 3.5 years. But hold fast, I'm gonna tell you all about it. Alright, Tech Fam, welcome back to the channel. And if you've never been here, welcome to the channel. But we're gonna get right into it. Now, again, the last time I made an ITCareer update video, I went and checked. It was May 11th, 2020 is when I published it on YouTube. So that was about 3 years and 6 months ago. And man, how time flies. And man, how much has happened to me in my career and just my life in general since that time. Now, the video I'm referring to is still on this channel, and I'm gonna post it up here somewhere, or either I'm gonna put it in the description. I'll link it at an end card or something. You'll be able to go and watch it after this. But last we spoke, I was working from home. It was May. The pandemic had just started. And I was a network support specialist 3 for the local community college that was in the area that I lived in. In fact, I had 2 jobs. And so I was also an access coordinator for the Cisco data center in Richardson. And I had been doing that since 2017. It was basically over though for that part-time gig because of the pandemic, and it was an on-premise type of thing. And about a month or so after I shot that last video, I got laid off from that job because we was knee-deep in pandemic. So that was just about the end of it. Now, I've been working from home ever since then. And I remember when I made that video, I was talking about the future of IT, and given that the pandemic was a new thing, how would it work and how we had to adapt. And I was hoping that working from home would become a thing, and it did. Like, if you look back now, all the stuff we went through is amazing. But I'm not gonna keep on talking about that because you can go watch that video, right? This video is the update to get you up to speed to what's going on with your boy in his career, in my life, education, the whole nine right now today. Last time we spoke, I had became interested in cloud technology, and I started headed in that direction for my career. If you remember, I had just passed my AWS Cloud Practitioner exam, and that was the last time y'all heard from me. And man, I've done so much has happened. I've gone through multiple positions. It's been a lot. We lived through a pandemic. It's been a lot, but we keep on going, right? But needless to say, I'm still in the IT space. I feel like I'm doing pretty well in my career. I'm thriving. This channel has gone through an upgrade, a change. I changed the name and tweaked the content a little bit, relocated from where I was to a whole new place, basically just moved out to the suburbs, started a small business, built a house, and just being very intentional about everything I was and am doing. Okay, so let's talk about where I am right now today in my IT career. What's going on, right? My current title is Senior Systems Administrator in the data center. I am the Cloud Collaboration Team Lead for my organization. I've been working on AWS and Azure Cloud Administration for the last 2.5 years. I've also ran the Cloud Collaboration Team across the organization. I'm in the middle of 2 migrations, a data center migration and a call center migration, and just been very, very, very busy lately. But I'm doing exactly what I love. So yes, I was interested in cloud, and I started taking steps to move my career in that direction. And throughout this time, I have been very focused and very intentional about my career and steps I took toward my goals and so on and so forth. So I've really tried to tailor my career based on my own sensibilities, what I thought was best. I might take some advice from somebody who I thought was knowledgeable in a particular subject or path, but for the most part, I paved my own way. I went my own direction, right? And so let's talk about some of the differences between when we last spoke and now. And I'll start with industry certifications. These are some of the certifications that I sat for and accomplished in furtherance of my goals. So if you remember from the last video, or you go back and watch the last video after this, in that video, I stated that I had just passed the Cloud Practitioner exam from AWS. The next certification I got was the Solutions Architect certification from AWS. I then went on to get the SysOps Administrator Associate certification, and I just recently got the Developer Associate in October of this year. So this whole time, 3.5 years, I have still been taking steps and making progress toward my ultimate goal, which was cloud computing and ultimately cloud engineering and cloud architect. I ended up getting a couple AWS educator certs, a couple of Azure certs, and a few more other certs that I won't even mention. But I said all that to say this: despite it all, I kept my eyes on my goal and I kept on working towards that goal. So the next thing I'll talk about is education. There's always been this debate on whether or not you should get a degree or whether you should do certifications when you're trying to switch careers or you're in a particular career, especially as it relates to information technology. And we've all had that debate. I've got videos where I discussed it on this channel. Regardless, when I spoke to you last, I had an associate's degree in IT, and I had a couple of Cisco certifications. Went back to school and I got my bachelor's degree in network operations and security from WGU. And I just loved the school. It was the perfect format at the perfect time that I needed to accomplish my goals. I found it a wonderful resource, very good for a person like me, my learning style. So I did well. I got that degree. Later on down the road, I went back to school, got a postgraduate in cloud computing from UT Austin. And I finished that program at the end of 22. And I loved it. It was a lot of hands-on. It gave me a lot of in-depth knowledge on cloud computing, AWS, Azure, and Google. So, I'm working, I'm going back to school, I'm studying for, and I'm doing cloud certifications, and I'm at home in the lab, practicing, making videos. I've got a lot of content that I put on this channel, and just doing my thing, consumed with technology, because that's what I do. I love it. Now it is, what's today? November the 30th, 2023, and I'll be starting tomorrow my MBA in IT management, again from WGU. It was a no-brainer that I was going back to that school. Once I graduated the first time, I always knew I was going back. It was just when I was going to find the time and what direction I was going to go. My original plan was, after I had got that bachelor's degree, was it's time to get some hands-on. So I started doing boot camps, and I started doing all of AWS, some of Azure's course material and practice material. I did a bunch of that. Anytime a boot camp or a cloud project would present itself where I could see it and I had time, I would definitely jump in and do that. I did a few of those. So now, I'm in a place in my career where I'm thriving, I'm busy. And before I jump to the next level, I wanted to go ahead and knock this master's degree out. I'm not saying that I need it, but I want it. And then depending on how you're trying to go in IT, you might just need it, because certifications open doors, but degrees remove ceilings in certain industries and organizations. So you can go get all the practical knowledge and the certifications you want, but you'll hit a ceiling before you get to management if you don't have that master's degree, depending on, again, the industry and the organization you work for. And I'm going to try to document that whole journey, and I'm going to put it in the WGU playlist in this channel. And I'm really going to be trying to upload more. You know, I got so busy upskilling, trying to learn new things and build out my portfolios that I just didn't have time to upload on a regular basis to this channel, but I'm gonna try to get past that. I found out that, you know, it's a lot of work to do YouTube videos, as I'm sure a lot of people know, a lot of you might even know if you do YouTube videos. And so with that being said, you know, I'm gonna try to keep on uploading these on a regular basis and making these. It ain't gonna be real production heavy, but it's gonna have game, right? And at the end of the day, the game is more important than the scenery, I think, right? So yeah, it's gonna be much game, not so much production, but at least some content will be flowing on a regular basis. That is at least my goal. We'll see what happens, and we're gonna keep on moving. You know what I'm saying? It's the end of the year, 2023. I think 2024 is going to be another good year. So the next position that I see for myself is cloud architect or cloud engineer. Whether or not it'll be with the same organization I'm with, I don't know. That's to be determined. We'll see what happens. But I'm on the cusp of making that happen. And I just wanted to make sure I was ready, and I'm ready. So that's what I'm going to be doing moving forward. You know, this IT journey that I've been on since I relocated here to focus on a career in IT, it's been tough and rewarding at the same time. It has to be, career-wise, the best move I made. And I'm just trying to make it continue to be the best. And that's exactly what I plan to keep on doing. And I'm also trying to inspire anyone else that I can to, at the very least, take a look at IT. Because I come from a place where IT wasn't that accessible culturally, career-wise, physically, you name it. There wasn't nobody even talking about it. I happen to be just one of those inquisitive minds and just became interested in technology at a very young age. And I think that's what kind of steered me to pursuing a career in IT. And I'm absolutely glad that I did. I'm not gonna hold you, Tech Fam. I just wanted to come and put an update on this channel. I know it's been a minute. I'm gonna try to do better. If you don't mind, go ahead and hit them buttons. You know, the ones I'm talking about. And let's keep chopping it up. Until the next video, Tech Fam. Peace.